Hey, what's up, everybody? Clayton Thomas-Muller here. For those of you that have been following my journey, you know that I've been on this epic, kind of healing journey, which included sobering up from alcohol, a stint in rehab, and a whole bunch of things. Through that journey, though, there's been a lot of strife. My mom passed away last October. It's almost been a year this fall. And I had a crazy heart attack at Christmas, which really screwed with my ability to work. But life has been on the upswing lately, and I am working for my nation. As many of you know, Pugatawagan, along with many other First Nations, have been evacuated due to climate change exacerbated wildfires. And our people are scattered across cities, across these lands they call Canada, including here in the city of Winnipeg. So I've been driving elders around and, to medical appointments and that sort of thing. And it's been super awesome, rewarding work and helping me be able to pay rent and catch up on some bills. I just started with them, and the truck that I'm driving is a truck that I don't own. It belongs to a dear friend of mine. And yesterday it overheated, and I don't know what the heck is going on with it, but I need to get it fixed. Obviously, this job is not a permanent thing. I have my eyes set on bigger, loftier goals, including being able to fundraise for the time that I've been spending on responding to the threats to our nation's homelands by the Kinew Government and the Kinew Government in their goal to build a energy and trade corridor to the Hudson Bay right through our lands and waters. This is a massive threat. We're talking about oil pipelines, minerals, things like coal and tar sands to be shipped by rail. We're talking about, a lot of expanded extraction all across the north if this trade corridor is established. It certainly needs to be discussed at great length at the community level, and I do believe I can contribute to that process. So yeah, I'm fundraising on a lot of different tips, but right now I just don't have the liquidity to even take my truck in so I can get back to work on Monday, and I really need your help. Obviously, this is not an appeal to other people in pitiful circumstances like me. But for those of you coming from intergenerational wealth, or maybe you just won the jackpot at bingo yesterday, this is certainly a direct ask to you to help me get my truck back on the road so I can get to work and not, lose my home. E-transfers can be made to my son's email. I still don't have a bank account, as the Canada Revenue Agency has shut down my account until I can do my back taxes, which costs money anyway. E-transfers can be sent to the email in the description, and you can also make a contribution to my PayPal if you do PayPal or you're not in Canada. The link is in the description, and I am always looking for opportunities to contribute to gatherings. I speak on a wide variety of issues. You can find out all the things that I'm able to speak to. I'm also a great MC. By going to my agency link. It's in the description as well, Transatlantic Agency. But yeah, I'm hustling, and life is good, but I need your help. So I'll see you in the streets and out in the lands.